Hey guys, welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. So today's video is going to be kind of a quick one. It's going to be calibrating this Nordictrack incline. I guess I'll give you the model as it incline up because it takes a couple of minutes. So really it's pretty easy and it doesn't really have a lot of calibration options or features. So we're just going to press the settings button so that we can change from English to metric if we want. I have to get in your way some because I just want to give an example. Okay, so then we're going to go up and we're going to calibrate the incline. So this is asking me to press the incline buttons. I have to show you that. I don't know if you can do that at the same time. Down here. So that tells you that it's in the incline calibration mode. Alright, so Nordictrack varies on some of their machines. Not everyone has a settings buttons that get you into calibration. So I am going to say this calibration procedures is for 24035.1. Alright, that's particular model that I have. This is the one that I'm doing a service call on for a customer. He's just being nice enough to let me do a couple of videos on it first while I have it in the house here. So we're still in the going up process. And you can kind of hear that. I know you can't see it, but I'm going to do another video on troubleshooting it. And I'll go over all the different lights and kind of what's happening underneath the hood that you can't normally see while you're using your machine. I guess one thing as a little reminder, the incline that's going up and down, that's an AC powered incline. Straight 110. I guess if you're in Europe, maybe 220. But pretty simple to do. It just sends straight, not straight voltage, it sends a signal down to the lower controller, and the controller just opens up the port to allow straight AC to go to the incline motor. Alright, so it's kind of almost winding up. We'll let it get down. The dots that you see should change to 0001, something like that. Hopefully I'm not wrong on that and have to do the video over again, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 0.0. Alright, so now we're going to go up to the next one, which this is just a prompt on all your different LEDs in your display. It will just go through as it fills this up, then it'll fill that up, then it'll fill this up, then it'll fill that up. Takes forever, unimportant, so I'm not going to worry about that. The next mode is a resistance mode, but it actually doesn't do anything. It just means that you're in calibration mode, so who really cares because you're already trying to do it. So this will tell you how long you've used it, what your distance is, 4 miles. Somehow I think that's inaccurate because this is an older machine, but that is what it is. So the last part of the changing your display or calibrating your display is that you can change the brightness. But as you can see, it just gets kind of worse. So that actually looks the best, so we're just going to go with that. Demo, we don't want demo on because that means it's on all the time. No, we're not even going to do that. So that's really about it. Got to start striding to make it start counting. You'll see the speed change. That's going to be in my upcoming video on how to troubleshoot it. Hold it for 1 second, and I'll see if I can make that. No, I got that too locked up. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. That's short little calibration. You can change the volume. Nothing to do with calibrating. And it's got a little picture down here. Shows a speaker, so that's not too bad. Fan. So that's really it. Thanks for viewing this video, and I'll get another one out to you shortly.